Amun Ra, Pumpkin Barbecue El Chakra. Oh, hey guys, happy Halloween, it's Rikki, but everybody calls me Cadaver Blender.
Cadaver what?
Cadaver Blender.
What did you do to your face?
It's corpse paint, black metal.
Rikki, I've told you again and again, you are too old for trick-or-treat.
There's no rules.
Listen, Canadian Gene Simmons, knock it off and tell me what you're reading.
Oh, I got this on the dark web. It's an Egyptian text that's gonna show us the most amazing pumpkin barbecue sauce
Rikki?
ever in the history.
How many times have I told you not to mess with ancient Egyptian mummy curses?
A couple times.
Because when I was on tour with Nile back in 1998, they almost lost every single one of their little fingers and could never play metal again because of an ancient Egyptian mummy curse.
Well, I mean,
Ancient Egyptian mummy curse. Hang on, this is giving me an idea. We should wrap some chicken tenders with bacon and make mummy fingers.
Oh, then we could use this awesome Egyptian pumpkin barbecue sauce and dip them in them.
All right, well that works for me. Let's hurry up so I can get back inside.
Well, wait, first, where's your costume?
Rikki, I told you I don't want to wear a dang
I
costume.
bought you a whole bunch. You haven't even tried them on?
Let's do this.
No.
1, 2.
All right, this one's not so bad. All right, now all that nonsense is out of the way. Let's get cooking. You're gonna need 3 or 4 chicken breasts, and as the recipe states, they gotta be about finger size, right? So maybe that paring axe over there. That'll work. Chicken breast, boom. Now in order to line these up just right, why don't you put your hand down on there for me? There, now. Oh, yep, on there, right like that. All
Gotta
right.
get finger length.
Yeah, well, finger width and length.
Thanks.
So, all right, you ready? Hold still. All right, finger size. Now that we got this chicken cut up in about finger size pieces, we gotta season it up and get the bacon on it. Hand me my switchblade.
Oh, God!
What?
Smokey!
What?
Cut his finger off!
Yeah, I'm not falling for that one again.
I gotta
Get out
see
of
his
my way.
mom is home!
I'm gonna hear about that one from Dan, I'm sure. All right, let's get these seasoned up and on the grill. Salt, pepper, garlic. I like to kick it up a notch. Red pepper flakes. I can call these Rikki's hot mummy fingers. In honor of his hot mummy, if you know what I mean. Diane knows what I mean. Start at the thick end, work your way down. Make sure you overlap. All right, make sure you wrap it real tight. Tuck these ends in. When it comes to bacon, it's just like changing a set of guitar strings. You gotta stretch that out, jiggle it around, make sure it sets right into place. Otherwise, it's gonna go out of tune. Nobody's gonna like it. We got all these mummy fingers seasoned and wrapped up. About time to get them on the grill. What are you doing?
Mom helped me get all bandaged up.
Man, you are just taking this gag as far as you can take it, aren't you?
Where's my finger? I still haven't seen it.
I haven't seen it either. I'm gonna get these on the grill. You show them how to make this weird
All
mummy
right, yeah,
sauce. of
let me
yours.
look at the text again. According to the ancient text, we need pumpkin puree, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, Worcestershire sauce, tomato juice, tomato paste, soy sauce, pepper, cinnamon, ginger, garlic powder, allspice, and cayenne pepper. Alright, now we need to cook this down so only the good stuff is left. Kind of like if this was Metallica's discography and we boiled it down to only the stuff before the Black albums left. Amen.
All right, now that these mummy fingers are almost done, we're gonna move them over to the smoking side, put a little bit of a smoky flavor on them and finish them off. All right, let's plate these things up for the mummies come and get us.
Yeah. Got in the middle
Get
for
your
the
sauce
dip.
in there.
Put that dip in.
All right, now the trick is to find the fingeristy of your fingers and make them all go around the dipping sauce, looking like fingers. Got a few thumbs in there if you got some short ones. Mummy thumbs taste just as good as mummy fingers. We even got the ancient pumpkin barbecue sauce recipe. I'm sure we're not gonna get cursed.
Nah, we'll have to find Brendan Fraser.
Now's the best part. Let's give these a try.
Let's dig in.
Pick your finger.
Oh,
That's worth any ancient mummy curse I've heard of.
totally worth it. I'd give up more fingers for that.
You know, Rick, I'm real sorry. Real sorry I cut off your finger.
Nah, that's all right, man.
Look at the bright side, though. You can start a band called Four Finger Death Punch now, right?
Hey, you know, it's all right, Smoke. I still got 5 good fingers in this hand. High five!
What?